pitney them, man. Watch ya. To show you how long them a bus a park up. Yeah, man. See it? Watch ya. Yeah, man, and just pass me right at top of spur tree little while. See that come up. See it there? Throw them in that par. And gone left one. Real old bus then go by, man. Real old bus. Watch it. Yeah, man, and I come full Jamaican. No can't chick with, you know. Yeah, man, no can't chick with.
Good day, my people. We have a lot of stories for you today. Welcome to Club TV. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.
Yeah, as bad as things being a broken, I one of the most hated politicians, you know. Hey, the man make all artists, all pastor me here a lick out pan the man. Hey, me the thing Sierra wicked, but me I tell you this. Sierra the only man when PMP see that pussy well as a wicked labor right, we say shower. Oh yeah, say man, we say blinds, we have to say shower man as a wicked man. Blinds are the only man. Remember them man they shot out Bruce here, you know, and say I think a bird, you know, you might see, you know.
Yeah, my people, me done say Chronic Claw take that round there. But here what me I say now, Chronic Claw. You when you are war, don't spare no man. When me say, don't spare no man. Cause me here you say free squash. No man. Squash forget it lyrically too, man. No spare no man. Remember say squash send Malidan in a man. Don't spare no man. Cause it look like you're afraid of squash. Don't spare no man. Alright, continue the war now.
Pandong talk about Jamaica Labour Party and this JLP administration. You're really young or don't know nothing about life, or no insignificant or no stupid. Because look at this thing. You don't have a child neither, because if you have a child sending to school right now, or going to school September morning, you step in a classroom and you see one teacher with all 50 odd children. You know, because why? Because this JLP government, they abuse our teachers. They have to leave the country. Then go to Canada, then go to America. They have to leave the fucking country, then go anywhere. All small island, then do a clean shit. Big Jamaica teacher left the country, gone as Bahamas a clean shit. Why? Because of this JLP administration. That is why the place are done. Why I think the picking are done. Because one teacher cannot manage 50 students. We have to get rid of these people, you know. Have to get, and then after they abuse the teacher, them then send these old bumbuckler, yellow humpy dumpy bus, fi come mash up the road them. More than how.
One of Boombox Free Flow Fridays
boys.
buzz.
Some pussy in the music. The wickedest pussy that in the music. Remember them boy department, my name. When they can ask blood clot Major Christie. Ask a thing when name Little Mouse. I name Famous Face. Boom down they might tell me every blood clot thing. God bless him soul. How would the fuck there? People are artists, we sit down and chat every day. So I know some of them stay. And you see, the boy when name Elia the biggest liar and the biggest blood clot ritual in the music. Pussy scare them legacy. If scare them never mash up on legacy drop on your shoulder. Because you don't know the Harry Toddler. And you don't start spread rumor about me and mad out. And everything where your blood clot talk, you come from foreign and try fuck my baby mother. Just through your flag of foreign more than blood clot me. And my baby mother you want fuck. But suck your mama. Pussy clot there. Hey boy, you did never get a Toddler look to your side when you and your mama. I talk my mind, I feel better now. Because 25 years, scare them mash up. And somebody got ask Elephant a question, how the group mash up? You try blame Harry Toddler. You hear that fuck face boy? The whole world says I need to cut you, lick you in your face. And the group mash up. I'll BT camera seat. What the fuck there? People remember saying, the legacy drop on film shoulder, you know. Remember saying, I'm not select a friend from that arena people. I'm not select on a play, you know. You have to run with Boy England, you know. And blood now meet a youth named Alan Brandon and King Hyper, you know. And Moses, you know, from Bonify Love, you know. And few more selectors, you know. When we help tread them thing, you know. You understand? Remember, you have some selectors, them not play me again, because them get my elephant pay bill. Them not play me again. Yo, people, yo, when I say the selector, yo, from boy, them not play me again. You have already people, them not play me. People, me have to done with the blood clot part of earlier, link with a white man. And some start par with white people. Broke and black people dash me under the bus. Like you, the pussy come say, and me, make scare them mash up. And everybody knows I need to cut you lick in your face. Pussy, while you try to fuck my baby mother, I'm still there on the group. Me not even care if you fuck her or not. But me still there on the blood clot group. I see a tech side with blood clot, Lexus and Kiprich. And guess what? And some selector would not play me. Or the fuck there. Yeah. People, you see on the group days, and I scare them group days. Everybody knows that I can't travel. I can't go America up to this day. I still can't go USA. You understand? To all them set it. From them granny and them mother them days. To all the family there. Set the ritual. Kill them, kill every toddler from them days then. Bury me, you know. And you see him come for an interview. Still a try. Bury me. I say, I mean mash up the group. People remember, you know. I don't know nothing about that blood nothing, you know. Them Obia thing. Remember say, I live at Hilton Hotel because I have the #1 songs them. I make money right through. I never know money could have slow. So when time Dynamite, I confess to me. Major Christie, I confess to me. The youth were there when name Famous Face, I confess to me. Them say, Carl Elephant. Them say, Toddler, oh, you make so much money. And you're not on a parchment paper. You're not on a Obia ring. You're not on a Obia man. Me I said, bro, me don't know my mother Christian, me bless. So Dynamite say, Toddler, we have to help you, bro. Because if you make money, so you have to go for it. So Dynamite say, more can go and place them God Moses. And I said, Dynamite, me don't know them place there, my mother Christian, you know. So them say, them call Elephant. When Elephant reach up at the hotel, but me there, everybody in the room a ball. Everybody hug up on a ball. Because Elephant say, I got dash them all their things them. Dynamite say, I dash them things them. Major Christian say, I have things. Even the youth when name Little Mouse, Toddler, I have things. Everybody go in the bathroom, never dash with things. Elephant never dash with nothing. And
Greetings, my TikTok people. Now God, no word your child. You know, I don't know if I'm me alone see that thing here. And see that little setup thing when I see I go on, you see me? But I'm gonna make you know what I go on. See? So Saturday night I plan for go to the Barclay Center, you know. Sure. Seeing as a true vendetta fans, true vendetta artist. Because that me rep for in real life. Seeing. And the reason why me even got change my mind from the show, yeah. I change my mind from the show, yeah. Because you see the promoter them we put on an event, yeah. On some pussy in a real life, you know. I say I don't play on natural, I don't play the vendetta brand, you know. And I disrespect Alkali, but guess what? Alkali I work for him money still. We can't tell a God what to do. Or try, you know, we can't program the God what him to do. See me I say? Gotta work and I get him money. But you see that setup thing you wanna do. Oh, not gonna use Bounty Killer of the headline. We know my veteran, my big artist. But when we look on the show, you have a man like Al Caperton, we are big, highly performer. Way better than Blood Clot Killer, nobody can tell me that. You have Elephant Man can perform way more than Blood Clot Killer. See? We can't hide that. We have Mr. Giga same way, a better performer and killer. We can't deny that. We can't go around that. See? But when it comes to the young generation them, we have pulled the crowd. You have a Shensia, and you have the big bad Alkaline, the vendetta boss himself, the man himself. We have a bigger platform, a more fan base. See? Because we check the whole thing in the people. See? And I like me attack this. Bounty Killer have the fan base and the amount of subscribers we Alkaline have. Him not have the fan base or the amount of subscribers Shensi have. So these people are the people that who are pulling the people. The people them, yeah, come out, Bounty fans them all come out 1 year Killer, yes. He does do a show the other day. You feel like the people might come see Killer again? It's because of the controversy where Killer come out and say, anyway in book, Alkaline man go defend. Saying which me feel like, and I feel like me know Killer cap. Because he just wanna be in an interview to make the interview have a little vibes or a little, you know what I mean, talk about tweet. When you know, so that's why them have to bring up Alkaline name and then go ahead and diss Alkaline and say what have to say about Alkaline. But know the promoter them is a pussy still. Right now, the man for headline the show the Alkaline. And everybody knows the Alkaline for headline the show there. I don't care what a nigga wants to say or a bitch wants to say. See? That's my opinion that. And we're going to stick to that. One judge child, one vendetta. Always remember that. But a person I promoter where I keep the show in a Barclay Center, you won't get my ticket again. You know? I won't buy no ticket again. Yeah, I'm not going to show them. I go see the vendetta boss a different show, man, by himself. You understand me? Yeah, when you feel like when you can't go around people and trick people. No, man, people run are wise, man. I have sense. But I hope him don't see the vendetta boss and run in. Because I believe you me. It's going to be an active, very active one. You see me I say? Yeah, so far now, what lead the clash? In my ears and listening to the lyrics them, Malidan a lead. Me not care what nobody wants say. If no people are gonna say you're Chronic Law them artists, but will not be biased. If you listen to the songs them and listen to the words and the messages them and which one of the words them I connect more. Chronic Law play with the words, Malidan I play with words. But I which one connect the most. Seeing? So me give Malidan the race already. I run with it. You know? So big up on yourself, you know. TikTok land. You see me I say YouTube land. Anyone of there. IG. Big up on yourself. One judge child. But I remember me say, you know. And me say what?
Eagle at the night say I pay life run. So, can't drive run. See me? Yo, Kingston. I do mad the set a life in Iran. Look run, baby, my son crown. Mad dog, GLE, Jack Crown. Go right for swing, that's me touch a skin tone. Uptown girl, I'm pretty and crown. Down